Welcome to Dynarex University's long-term care bed training. Our customized trainings are designed to provide your team with the insight and expertise they need to build stronger, more profitable relationships. Introducing the Dynarex D100 bed. Let's explore the many features of this versatile bed that make it an ideal choice for your facility. The Dynarex D100 LTC bed is a durable steel bed frame perfect for use in a wide range of healthcare facilities. Only one wrench is required to fully assemble the bed. Now let's review some of the general features of the D100 bed. The Dynarex D100 LTC bed has a 36 by 80 inch deck. The weight capacity is 450 pounds. An optional battery backup is available. The Dynarex D100 LTC bed has a travel range of 10.5 inches low to 25 inches high. Our D100 beds come equipped with mattress retainers to keep the mattress safely aligned on the bed deck. In addition, there's a bumper at the head of the bed to protect walls from bumps and scratches. This convenient hand pendant allows you to adjust the head and foot to a comfortable position with one button operation. The bed pendant is designed with a special auto contour feature so you can adjust the head and leg sections at the same time for maximum patient comfort. The head and footboards are tool-free and easy to assemble. They are available in amber cherry, light oak, and mahogany colors. Simply insert the pin through the bracket and into the boards to secure it in place. The adaptable D100 LTC bed is conveniently designed for use with all Dynarex bed rails. This composite half rail is easy to install. The half rail is simple to adjust up and down. Dynarex offers several choices of rails for your facility: metal swing rail, composite swing rail, universal pivot assist bar, and universal rotating assist bar. Our 4-inch locking and unlocking casters are easy to engage or disengage. Choosing a long-term bed for your facility is easy with Dynarex. Whatever your needs, Dynarex has the right bed for you. Dynarex, we care like family. For more information on Dynarex durable medical equipment, visit Dynarex.com.